I just had the best experience at Cardiff Uni, and I just felt like I really wanted to give something back to the university who gave so much to me, and it's really nice to see so many familiar faces as well. Like my old lecturers are here and they recognise me because I only graduated last year, so it's a really nice atmosphere, and I always used to love working the open days when I was at the university when I was a student, so coming back here was just kind of an extra little treat really.
It's been awesome. It's been like a walk down memory lane and just the big decisions to be made, and yeah, there's so much confidence because obviously I had a great time here and yeah, such a good experience, so it's very easy to speak about that. It's fun actually. Yeah, I find it so much fun.
So I still live and work in Cardiff, so it's not really coming back too far, but it's nice to be able to come back to Cardiff Uni. I had such a great time here while I was a student, and to be able to encourage any other people that are thinking about coming to Cardiff Uni to study here is a great opportunity. Yes, I'm a really passionate STEM ambassador. I try and encourage anyone and everyone into a career in engineering because I think it's fantastic to be an engineer. I know I'm biased, but there is a misconception that women aren't suited to working in engineering, and I do my best to try and smash that stereotype because I don't think it's correct at all.
It sort of catapulted me back to what it was like when I was first applying to university, and the sorts of questions that I had, and the anxieties and the excitements as well. Getting a sense of, you know, here's somebody who's been through it all right a long time ago, and courses will have changed. And as I say, the aspiration of the university and of the city and of the people of Wales is much bigger now than when I was first here. But you know, seeing that sort of enthusiasm and being asked intelligent, interesting questions by bright young people who may well be making Cardiff their home for the next 3 to 5 years has been really rewarding. So I'd encourage anybody who was a Cardiff graduate who's not part of the Alum programme currently to come back, because it's an incredibly rewarding experience, and if you can just help encourage one young person to make Cardiff a life choice for them, then I think that's a pretty good testament to having done a degree yourself at this university.
You've got to do it. It's good fun. You know, you're part of a wider university, Russell Group University, and to come back and help it in some way, which has helped you get on in life, it's a great thing to do. So I definitely encourage everyone to continue doing it.